Introducing Biomex Technologies Private Limited. Based in Singapore, Biomex Technologies has created the world's first rapid thermophilic digestion system, which uses breakthrough technologies to convert organic waste into top-grade organic fertilizer. Unlike conventional methods of organic fertilizer production, which take up to 3 months, Biomex Rapid Thermophilic Digestion System is able to shorten the production time to only 24 hours. Here's how we do it. Organic waste such as sawdust, chicken manure, and chicken mortality are loaded into the machine via the input conveyor belt. Next, we create the optimum production environment within the digester. Through automated systems, we regulate the temperature, airflow, and mixing capabilities of the digester. Next, we add 1 kilogram of BM1 enzyme per every 1,000 kilograms of waste. Now, when the BM1 enzyme is added to the optimum environment created within the Biomex Rapid Thermophilic Digestion System, BM1 is activated and can easily break down complex organic matter into simpler form without creating pollutant byproducts. After just 24 hours, top-grade organic fertilizer is created and discharged through the output conveyor belt. This organic fertilizer is odorless, pathogen-free, rich in nutrients, and most importantly, able to restore the fertility of soil. We allow the organic fertilizer to cool by air for 2 to 3 days before final packaging and distribution. Here are the key attributes of Biomex Rapid Thermophilic Digestion System. Our system is space-saving and does not require a large layout. Our system reduces processing time from up to 3 months to only 24 hours. Our system creates high-quality organic fertilizer that's odorless, pathogen-free, rich in nutrients, and able to restore the fertility of soil. Our system is environmentally friendly and does not create any pollutant byproducts. Our system presents a highly lucrative return on your investment. Biomex Rapid Thermophilic Digestion System turns your waste into wealth.